the prosperity of this entire region, starting from Ashgabat and going through Kabul and then Islamabad and then to India. This will help this region to secure natural gas with concrete assurances and mutually agreed terms and conditions. Today, because of international circumstances, energy has become a real challenge. And for a developing country like Pakistan, we have to negotiate with this challenge through imaginative policies and speedy action. I have no doubts that TAPI will bring an era of regional cooperation and regional prosperity. I would certainly would want to request my team to do everything within our possibilities to speed up its planning and then its execution. With these words, I would once again like to thank our Turkmenistan delegation to visit Pakistan and providing an opportunity to show to the world that our two brotherly countries are ready to promote our relations and expand our economic cooperation. Thank you very much. Turkmenistan, Pakistan, Dosti Zindabad.
वज़ीराअज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ इस वक्त इस्लामाबाद में